Open TikTok. Type AI tools in the search bar and filter by videos. Scroll slowly and pay attention to what's working. Most high-view videos don't show a face. They don't explain much. They just show one thing happening on a screen. That pattern is the starting point. The first step is choosing a narrow topic. Avoid broad ideas like AI or content creation. Pick a single outcome. For this example, the topic is AI tools that save time for creators. Open your Notes app and write one sentence. One AI tool that saves creators time. Every video will follow that sentence. Nothing else gets added. Next, open Canva. If you're using the free version, that's enough to start. If you want Canva Pro, comment Canva and I'll give you a premium link. Now start a screen recording and open one free AI tool in your browser. Move slowly. Click only what matters. Zoom slightly so the viewer can clearly see what's happening. Use large text with high contrast. No music is needed. No transitions are needed. The structure of the video matters more than the tool. The first text appears immediately on screen. Creators waste hours doing this manually. Hold it for about 4 seconds. Then replace it with, "This free AI tool does it automatically." After that, show the tool working. Let the viewer connect the dots on their own. Keep the total length between 7 and 10 seconds. Shorter videos finish more often, and completion matters. At the end, add one quiet line in small text. Full AI tool list in bio. That's the entire content format. Now repeat it. Use the same layout, same captions, same pacing. Only change the tool. Post 2 times per day. The same video is uploaded to 3 platforms: TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. One piece of content gets distributed 3 times. Now set up monetization. Open Gumroad. Create a simple digital product titled Top 25 AI Tools for Creators, updated 2026. Do not design anything complex. A clean list works better. Each tool includes a short description, what it helps with, and a link. That's enough. Price it between $5 to $7. Low pricing reduces friction and increases impulse purchases. Put the Gumroad link in your bio. Under every video, pin a comment that says, "I listed all tools here." No pressure, no selling language. The content proves usefulness. The product organizes everything in one place. That connection is what converts. If you want the full workflow of this method, from zero to monetization, comment "workflow," and I'll do it from scratch. After 7 days, open analytics. Ignore likes and follower count. Focus on watch time. Find the 3 videos with the highest retention. Those videos show you what the algorithm and the audience prefer. Recreate those videos. Keep the same hook, same timing, same visual flow. Only change the tool being shown. Remove everything else from your workflow. Growth comes from repetition, not variety. This process stays simple. It doesn't require showing your face. It doesn't require ads or upfront money. It works by showing something useful, consistently, in a clear format. That's how faceless TikTok pages are built and monetized in 2026.